Good morning, dear students, and welcome to the next part of our chapter of integers. Okay, in the last time we already saw what are positive numbers, what are negative numbers, and what is a neutral number. Neutral number, there is only one number, which is 0. Now we will look at our next practice set. Practice set 4. Question number 1 is what you have already completed. Now we will look at question number 2. In question number 2, you have a table which is giving you the temperatures of some cities. You are asked to write them using the proper signs. The first information given to you is about Shimla, and it is said it is 7 degrees below 0. So how you will write this information with the help of integers? 7 degrees below 0 means the temperature is a negative temperature. It is very cold. So this will be written as -7 degrees Celsius. This is the temperature for Shimla. Next we see Leh. Leh is mentioned as 12 degrees Celsius below 0. So over here also the temperature is very cold. This will be mentioned as -12 degrees Celsius. Next we have the temperature of Delhi given as 22 degrees Celsius above 0. Means the temperature is warm, it is hot. So this is a positive temperature. So as you already know, positive numbers we can write even without the positive sign. So the temperature for Delhi can be written as 22 degrees Celsius. And the last information which is given to you is about Nagpur, which is given as 31 degrees Celsius above 0 degrees, means it is a very high temperature, it is a positive temperature. So we can write it as 31 degrees Celsius. Okay, so students, you can see over here how by using integers we can tell what the temperature is. We can tell whether it is very cold or it is very hot. Okay, like for example for Shimla and Leh we have written the temperature as -7 degrees Celsius and -12 degrees Celsius, which means that it is very cold. And for Delhi and Nagpur we have used positive integers, means the temperature is warm or it might be even hot. So I would like you to copy this down. You can pause the video and then you can copy it down. Now we move on to the next part of our practice set 4th, which is the third question. The third question says, write the numbers in the following examples using the proper signs. So we have to use either positive sign or you have to use negative sign. The first one is, a submarine is at a depth of 512 meters below the sea level. Now if we are considering the sea level as 0, the 0 mark, then below sea level means it is a negative distance. So if we have to write this, we will write it as -512 meters. The next one, the height of Mount Everest, the highest peak in the Himalayas, is 8848 meters. Now you know, dear children, that Mount Everest is one of the highest mountains, it is the highest peaks on the earth. So it is above sea level, which means that it is a positive number. So this will be written as +8848 meters. So when we are talking of anything below sea level, then it will be negative. If it is above sea level, it is going to be positive. The next example is given as a kite is flying at a distance of 120 meters from the ground. So if your ground is 0, your kite is flying above the ground, which means that it is a positive number. So this will be written as plus 120 meters. The last example, a tunnel is at a depth of 2 meters under the ground. So if again in this example, if your ground is 0, then under the ground will be a negative number. So over here it will be minus 2 meters. Okay, so this is how we complete this particular exercise. I would like you to please copy down this entire exercise. You can pause your video over here and you can complete this particular exercise. This is the end of our class for today, dear students. You will have to complete your practice set 4, exercise 2 and exercise 3. Please write it neatly in your notebooks by looking at the video. You can pause the video and you can complete your exercise. Thank you, dear students. Thank you for watching and stay safe, stay happy. Bye.